Hello everyone, a very good morning to all of you. And in this video today I am going to take worksheet number 5 for class 6. Now children, as you all know that your unit exams are coming up, are approaching, so we are going to take revision work uh, now onwards. Now today this is an activity worksheet, so you need not to be submitted this worksheet, but you will do this work in your notebooks, in your fair notebooks. Now this is the revision of lesson number 1, the tale of two birds. As you all know that there are two chapters for your unit test. I hope you have already get your syllabus and timetable. So according to the syllabus, you will be getting lesson number 1 from your book Pact with the Sun. The lesson is the tale of two birds, and the another chapter is lesson number 1 of your grammar portion. That is, lesson name is the sentence. So in this chapter, in this worksheet or in this video, we are going to take revision of literature portion, which is going to come in your unit exams. Now only one chapter is coming. This is a tale of two birds. Now you will not submit this worksheet, you will just copy this work in your notebooks. And in this worksheet I have not given any answer, written answer, but when you will be going through this video, you will be come to know that what are the answers to these questions. All right, so as you always do that, the worksheet which is activity worksheet, you will ignore the submission date, and then you will put day, date and worksheet number in the top of the page. And also this video is for the explanation of the worksheet as well as for the answers. So answers you will do in your notebooks by your own after watching this video. All right, so I'm going to take each and every question and along with its answer. Now before starting the explanation of this worksheet, I'm going to give you a quick revision of this chapter, that what is or what was in this chapter, what you have read in this chapter. So for the revision, quick revision, I will give you the summary of the chapter, the tale of two birds from your book A Pact with the Sun. Now this is a story of two birds that lived in a forest, in a thick forest, along with their mother. And when they were newborn babies, what happened that one night there was a very thunder, lightning and storm and rain, in which the two baby birds were blown away. And in this stormy night their mother was killed, she died. But the baby birds landed near two different places. They were separated in this storm and they landed in two different places. One bird landed near the cave of robbers and the second bird landed near the cave of, near the Rishi's ashram. All right, so what happened next, that when they grew up in the company of two different people. Like one was a robber and the second was a rishi. So this is a story about that how the company we live in affects our behavior. All right, so as you all know that both the birds grew up in different uh, behavior people. One lived with the robbers, so he imitated what all the robbers do, what all the robbers say. He imitated that only, and he behaved like those robbers. Like the robbers always behaved very badly with the others, with the strangers or with the passers who pass that jungle. All right, and they always talked about robbing people. So that bird also behaved very behaved in a very bad way with people and the strangers, and always talked about robbing people. And the second bird, who lived with the rishi or lived in the ashram of rishi, behaved like rishi. He imitated rishi and his behavior. Rishi, how did rishi behave? The rishi behaved in a very polite way, in a very polite manner, in a very decent manner with the strangers or anybody who came to him. So that bird, the second bird, also imitated that rishi like how did he welcome the strangers to the ashram, how did he talked with that ashram with the strangers, and how did he behave with them, behave with the strangers. So he used to behave very politely and very nicely with the strangers whosoever come to that ashram. So what happened one day that one king of a big kingdom came hunting into that forest, and when he was running running behind a deer, he came into that forest, and then he got lost. And when he got lost, he came to that cave near came to near that cave where that first bird lived. And when he sat down one a tree near the cave to take rest, he was very amazed. The king was very amazed. Why he was amazed? Because he heard a sound, he heard a voice that was talking of robbing him, and he was that was talking robbing him, and also uh, saying bad words to him. So he was very amazed that that bird is talking like this, but he didn't knew the reason why he was behaving like that or why he was talking so bad to him. So then from there he rode on his horse and ran. Now when after that he came near the ashram, and when he reached the ashram, there again he saw a bird which looked like same as the first bird. All right, they look like each same. Both the birds were same, but he was talking differently, he was behaving differently with the king. And how did he was behaving? He welcomed the rishi, he asked him to sit inside the ashram, take some water and have some food, and take rest till the rishi reaches the ashram. So he was very amazed to know that why did two birds look alike and behave in a very different manner. So when that king asked that second bird who lived with the rishi that what was the matter, that those two the first bird and that second bird looked alike but behaved very differently, the second bird replied that yes, that first bird you met was his brother. They were they got separated in a storm, and because he was living with the robbers, he uh, imitated those robbers only. Because he was living in the company of bad people, he was behaving in a bad manner. So he told that rishi that yes, he was my brother, he is my brother, because he is living with robbers, so he is not talking to me also. Now when the rishi arrived ashram, he explained the king that why both the birds look alike but behave differently. And the reason was that, what was the reason? The reason was that only that we behave as the company we live in. All right. So this was the king was very amazed to see these two birds and the behavior of these two birds, and also he came to know that we should live in a good company so that we also become good as them. Because whatever company or the type of company we live in, we behave and we tend to imitate them only. So this was the summary of this story, A Tale of Two Birds. And now let's begin the revision work. Now you can see, as you were doing earlier, in every worksheet you will put the worksheet number, date and the day in the right side. You will put revision here, the chapter name and the book name also. Now you will write the question like tick the correct answer. Now children, in your unit test, because it is online exam, so we will start with the one word answer, MCQs and the fill in the blanks, true false, etc. We will not give you the elaborated answers to write. Now that's why I have given you the revision according to the question paper you will be getting for your unit exams. All right, so in this chapter, in this worksheet, whatever you have downloaded, you will not be getting answers in your worksheets. So after watching this video, I hope you will be able, I don't hope, but definitely you will be able to answer these questions which I have given you for the worksheet. Now the first is, and these are very easy questions, All right, this story is also very easy. These are there is nothing complicated in this story also, and the worksheet also. So if you read the story properly, if you have understood the story properly, you are definitely going to be able to give the answers. All right, so tick the correct answers. The first is the bird had. Now the bird had, the three options are given: one baby, two babies, or three babies. Now if you have heard the chapter properly, you must be knowing that how many birds are there in this chapter. We are talking about two birds, so that's why the bird had two babies. So as like I have written here answer, and then the option B, and then you will write the answer. All right, you will do like this only. Two babies. Next is the baby birds were friends, brothers, or cousins. Now what relation was there in the between two baby birds? The two baby birds were brothers. They were not friends, they were not cousins, they were brothers. So you will write the answer option B, brothers. Next is one baby bird came down near. One baby bird came down near river, robber's cave, or sea. Now here the answer is again option number B, robber's cave. So you will write your answer here. Answer option number B, robber's cave. Next is the first bird always talked about. Now you all know that first bird, first and second bird. First bird, if you talk about first bird means the bird who lived with the robbers, and the second bird was the bird who lived with the rishi. So we are talking about here first bird. So first bird always talked about guiding people, inviting people, or robbing people. Yes, he always talked about robbing people. So you will write your answer along with the correct option number. So the option number is C. You will write down here C, and then option answer robbing people. Next is the moral of the story, the tale of two birds is, there are three morals given here, and you have to write the correct moral which you have got from the story. Now first is we should behave politely, we should be kind to everyone, and C is we should always keep good company. Now the moral of the story, I have told you that is that we should always keep the good company, because we become as the company we keep. All right, so you will, I have not left the space here, but you will, after this you will leave one line here, and then you will write the answer, and then correct option C, and then you will copy down this sentence: we should always keep good company. Next question is, question number 2 is state true or false. Now here you will be getting some statements, and you have to read that those statements carefully, and then you have to state whether that statement is true or false. Now first is the two baby birds were separated in a stormy night. Is it true? Yes, they were separated in a stormy night, and it was raining, it was thundering, lightning at that night, so they were separated in stormy night. So this is true. Second is the second bird lived with the robbers in the cave. Now whenever the option is given second like this, second and first bird, just revise in your mind that about which bird we are talking. Always remember that first bird lived with robbers and second bird lived with rishi. So here the option, the bird is second one. The second one, he is saying that second one bird lived with the robbers in the cave. No, this is not true, because the second bird lived with the rishi. So this is false. The second bird lived with the robbers in the cave, and this statement is false. Next is the birds imitated the people they lived with. Now this statement says that both the birds imitated and behaved. Imitated, copied. Imitate means copy. The birds imitated the people they lived with. Is it true? Yes, it is true, because the bird who lived with robbers behaved like robbers, and the bird who lived with rishi behaved like rishi. Now the fourth is the mother bird died in the stormy night. Mother bird died in that stormy night? Yes, the mother bird died that night. Now fifth is the two birds behaved same as each other. Now the sentence is saying that the two birds behaved same as each other. Is it true? No, it is not true, because they behaved very differently because of their company they were living in. All right, because they both were living in opposite company. One was in a good company and one was living with the bad company. So they behave differently. And in this sentence, in the statement, it is said that the two birds behaved in same as each other. But it is not true. So this statement is false. The two birds behaved same as each other is false. Next is question number 3, fill in the blanks. Now the fill in the blanks, the king was, what was king? The king was amazed. All right. The dash explained the behavior of each bird. Who explained the behavior of each bird? To the king? Rishi. The Rishi explained the behavior of each bird. Third is the second bird dash very nicely. The second bird, what did the second bird did nicely? Behaved very nicely. The second bird behaved very nicely. Now here if you will write talked, it is also right. All right, you can write behaved, you can write talked, whatever, but the meaning should be correct. Nicely and politely with the king. Fourth is the two birds behaved dash with each other. How did the two birds behave with each other? They behaved differently with each other. The two birds behaved differently with each other. Now next is give one line answer. That means you have to give the answer of these questions in 1 or 2 lines. It is not that if I have written 1 line, then you will only use 1 line. All right, means you have to answer in very short. It should not exceed 20 words. All right, so be very precise and be very to the point. First is, how did baby birds get separated? How did baby birds get separated? This answer I have given you in your notebooks also. The baby birds got separated in a stormy night. Now if I have given you write one answer in one word, answer in 1 line, you will not elaborate the words like in a windy, in a stormy, lightning, it was thundering, it was raining. No, just write down exactly what the question is asking. How did the baby birds got separated? The baby birds got separated in the stormy night. That's it. All right. Second is, what did the first bird say to the stranger? Now first bird means we are talking about the bird who lived with robbers. So what did the first bird say to the stranger? The first bird behaved very badly, and what did he do? He talked about robbing him, that just take away his horse and his jewels. He said like that. All right, so you will write that the first bird said to the stranger that come and take his clothes and jewelry and horse also. Third is, what did the second bird say to the stranger? What did the second bird who lived with the Rishi said? He said that please come inside the ashram, take some rest and have some water and feel comfortable. Fourth is, what is the moral of the story? Now moral of the story is one is known by the company one keeps. Or you can also write that we should always keep good company, or we should always have a good company. We should always live in a company of good people. You can write like this in your own words also. But according to the book, according to the words of the book, you can write that the moral of the story is one is known by the company one keeps. So I hope you have understood and you have revised this chapter thoroughly. You have got the revision of this chapter thoroughly in this video. So just there are only 2 chapters, so prepare these chapters very thoroughly and very carefully. And I think if you are getting these objective type questions and one word answer type questions, paper will be very easy. So prepare your chapters very properly. All right children, so till the next video, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.